Want to know how to install Test Runner for Java? So we have also created a video on how to install Java or Java language on this Cursor AI right here. So this time I'm going to show you how you can easily install the tester for Java. So let's get straight to it. First things first, what you can do is you just simply install the app and open it up after signing in. So we have also created a video on how to sign in and how to install the app, so make sure to watch that. So on the top you should be seeing various options right here, and right beside go you should be seeing view, just simply like that. And now once you selected view, here you should be seeing various options. Now here you should be seeing Explorer right here, this seems like that. And now once I'm Explorer, here you should be seeing block right here. This block icon is your extension. So once you're there, sometimes it should be under popular, as you can see on the Test Runner for Java. If you don't see it, you can just simply search for it just like this right here. And once that pops up, you just simply select Test Runner for Java, and you can just simply install it right here. So while installing, you can also see the change log, features, and much more about it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.